So I just thought I'd do a video of just when I had the three tractors out. I thought I'd do a video of the three Ford variants we have at the house. So starting off is our Fortune Super Daxter, new performance, our little Ford 3000, and then the County 1174. Just put them all on the line there. Show you a wee tour around them. There's the Wolf, he's in the video too, as usual. So only a wee quick video, so it is. So there's the Super Daxter and the 3000, and then the County. Just giving a wee rinse off with a hose. There you go, just a wee quick video of the three tractors. Alright, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.